with Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen one more time with your dishes, guys. Lovely dishes and amazing dishes, drinks, food, everything, you name it. And you also can claim it. Remember, Christmas is coming up very soon and we got a lot of recipe for Christmas. We start to put out some Christmas tips already and there's more to come. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and remember to get a copy of my cooking book online from Amazon, and it's the best price ever in this world. We love you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely. Just before Christmas, guys, I got roughly 2-3 days left for Christmas. But you know, I say, you know what I mean, I'm gonna put some, you know what I mean, some tuna back on the menu with some pasta. You know, kids love these kind of things, you know what I mean. Just give the kids them a treat before Christmas. So basically I have 3 tins of tuna drain off. Right here I have a cup of sweet corn, frozen sweet corn, white onion, and yellow pepper, green pepper, tomato, and some spring onion. So basically, guys, this is all of my ingredients. Basically got my stove, like the pot on the stove already, ready for frying up stuff. So basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna fry up all of these ingredients, get it together, give the kids them a treat before Christmas. Enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show, and this Christmas we will have a wonderful time. Enjoy it, guys. Nice one. So frying pan on the stove about 3 seconds to 4 seconds now. Basically what I'm gonna do is pop some olive oil, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Next thing, put in some seasoning because we don't want it to fry up. So seasoning, that's white onion and some peppers. Looking lovely and nice. As you can see, that is really fantastic, guys. Really nice and beautiful. Hopefully you guys will like the recipe, and please subscribe to the channel and leave in your comments. It's amazing. It's just a treat before Christmas for the kids them. So you know, kids them love pasta, tuna, and all these things. So we give them a treat before Christmas. Nice and lovely. As you can see, guys, this is taken off now roughly about 4 to 5 minutes now, since I have it on a medium sized heat. Now we're gonna put in frozen corn. That's the frozen corn, and that's the sweet corn. Next thing is tuna. A little bit of paprika, that's a teaspoon of paprika. Not tablespoon, a teaspoon, guys, please bear with me. Tuna fish season, half teaspoon. And also some ketchup, roughly 4 tablespoons of ketchup. Give it a nice lovely stir. Keep it on that lovely nice medium sized heat, guys. So allow it, make it go and cook in the meantime for roughly another good 10 minutes. Nice and beautiful, guys. As you can see, this is finished now. As you can see, looking so lovely and nice. This is just a treat before Christmas for the kids them. You know, the kids them kind of love tuna, pasta, and all these things. So we just give them a quick treat because, you know what I mean, Christmas day is gonna be different. We have a lot of different kind of dishes on the table, so they're gonna be happy. So let's give them a treat before Christmas. Enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. I'm gonna share it out, make you guys see exactly what we are about with this treat. Enjoy, guys. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. So I just shared some pasta, and that's looking so lovely and nice. So now we're gonna put on some nice, lovely tuna on top of it like this, guys. And this is just a little simple little treat, but I'll just share out an adult one to show you exactly what we're all about. And this is the way it would normally look. So the kids, we're giving them a nice lovely treat for Christmas, and that's the treat right here, guys. Looking so lovely and nice. Basically, so what you could do next is simple. Just pop a little bit of cheese on top of it like this. Really nice and beautiful. Just a little cheese on top of it, just like that. So guys, enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. You know, we always give you tips, ideas, and every way to make different kind of dishes. A simple little dish like this at home, you know what I mean? It's a treat for the kids before Christmas. Enjoy the recipe and see you next time. Bye bye. And I will definitely make it for you. I want to say thank you guys for all of you who support me and subscribe to the channel, giving me a lot of, you know what I mean, tips and ideas and things, and also, you know what I mean, your comments are just brilliant. So remember, you can follow me on Facebook and Twitter, Instagram, and also Google Plus. So guys, follow me and get more idea. Don't miss out anything. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you for your time. And remember, Christmas, we have a lot of idea. Remember the Jamaican rum fruit cake and sorrel. So a lot of things is coming up for you guys. So thank you so much, and hopefully you have a wonderful time. Enjoy yourself and see you in the next time. Bye bye.